Hello guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I will be doing a wreath for a client of mine, and I got the wire rack from the Dollar Tree, and I have the mesh I have from Hobby Lobby, and the ribbons I got from Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree. And right here, the only thing you have to do, you can roll them, but I gathered them, I kind of like gather it together, squeeze it in the center, and put all three in the center, and then I zip tie them. Once I get them all rolled together, I zip tie them, and I put them in in the middle wire, which these two that's in the center, I zip tie those together. And once I get a lot of them on there, then I just cut the back of the zip ties off with my wire rack. With my wire cutter. And I did have some problems with some of my zip ties. I'm not for sure that I got some from the Dollar Tree, some from from Amazon, I'm sorry. And some of them were just smooth all the way across, and I tried to turn them over. So in some sections I had problems with it, but eventually I did get it together. It was kind of aggravating because it really just wasn't working for me. But here I'm going to do about half of the wreath on camera and the other half off, because you kind of get the picture of making a wreath. You're doing the same thing over and over. You just gather them together in the center, zip tying them, and putting them in the middle of the wire rack here, the second one. The two that's in the center. So and this is one of the zip ties that wasn't working, and so I had to flip it over to see what it worked on that side. It was just a few that was like that, and it was frustrating, but anyway, it ended up working okay. And don't forget, guys, to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that, and I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We had a very nice Thanksgiving also. And we just have so much. When you look back at other people's lives and you look at yours, you have so much that you can be thankful for, and that's what we have to keep in mind. So this is one that I was just having so much trouble with. And once you get your ribbons on there, then you're trying to go under it and turn the whole thing around. It was just so aggravating. So I did run into a few doing this. So like I said, I'm going to do about half of the wreath on camera and the other half off. And I did have a problem toward the end of this where my camera, for some reason, it just froze on me. But I still did the video, and so the next two sections of it, you will see it just froze for no reason, and I don't know why, and I didn't realize it until I began to edit that the camera actually had frozen. Just like sometimes when you look, it's gone off for whatever reason, and you didn't know that, and you were still recording, but the sound was, something happened. So sometimes with editing, I guess you do run into some problems. So this was one problem that I had, and I'm just showing you here where you're just putting them in the center. And I do put about 5 in each section. Now right here, I'm finishing them up, and as you can see, it's getting pretty full. So I just continue, and somewhere along the line it begins to freeze on me, but right now it's okay. But and this is just showing you how it's full, and I just cut the zip ties off and just continue to just fill it in with my mesh ribbons. And I love the ribbons from the Hobby Lobby. They're always so nice. You're just doing the same thing. You're just gathering them in the center, zip tying them, and putting them in the center of your wire here. Center, center, center. And I do add a few ornaments to the wreath. Some pine cones I believe I end up adding, and a little peace sign or whatever it was. I did end up adding that to the wreath. And what's important is whoever you do something for, it works. And this is the final of it here, and the ribbons on the end, and it turned out really nice, and I thought it was beautiful. And next, and right here I'm doing these glasses that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I put Mod Podge on them and Epsom salt, and just added the little lights here, as you can see, to them. And I also did turn their lights down to let you see how they look in the dark. And I thought they were so beautiful, something simple and quick, and here they are at night. Just so simple. Please don't forget to